Hi guys, good day and welcome to Digital Masters Academy online tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you how to increase WordPress maximum upload file size inside the GoDaddy cPanel. Right? So this is one of the concern ng mga kakilala kong online entrepreneurs. They cannot upload yung mga digital products nila inside their websites. Bakit nga ba? So, when we go to our WordPress, hindi po upload file size kasi niya is just 2 megabytes. So, sobrang liit. So, particularly yung mga digital products, mas malaki pa siya dyan sa 2 megabytes. And may mga images din na talagang malalaki yung size nila. So, paano natin i-overcome yung ganyang problem? First, we have to log in dun sa ating GoDaddy hosting. Then let's go to cPanel admin. Okay. All right. So inside your cPanel admin, let's look for software. Okay. Under the software section, okay, let's go to select PHP version. Inside the select PHP version, okay, dito naman sa upper right side, okay, let's switch to PHP options. Click lang natin yan. Okay. Makikita mo dito na the memory or the post max size is set into 2 MB. Yung upload max file size is also 2 MB. Okay, so what will happen kasi pag nag-upload ka ng more than 2 MB, mag-e-error siya. So let's try to upload. Hindi muna natin modify yan para makita mo kung ano yung mangyayari if you upload more than 2 megabytes. Okay, let's select file. This one, may file dito na ang size niya is yan, 4.14 megabytes. Okay? So, pag in-upload natin yan, let's see. Okay. Open. Yan. So, itong file na to, it exceeds yung maximum upload file size niya. So, pag i-modify natin siya dito inside our hosting, okay, is first, yung post max size muna. Maximum niya is 120 MB lang. So, it depends doon sa hosting plan mo. Okay? Then, apply. Next, okay, that's first, yung post max size. Okay? Second, yung upload max file size. Okay? Palitan din natin siya. Okay? Though, when you go to the option, may makikita ka ditong 1 gig. Okay? Pero even if you choose yung 1 gig, still, ang mag-apply pa rin is yung 128 MB. Kasi yun nga yung post maximum size na pwede mong gawin. So, yung set natin kanina. So, ako naman, I don't want to mess up na dun sa hosting ko. So, I prefer na pareho na lang yung value na ilalagay. So, 128 MB and 128 MB. Then, click save. Okay, setting save. Sabihin yan, okay na siya. So, let's go back to our WordPress. Okay, this one yung 2 MB. If we try to reload, yan. So, yung maximum upload file size natin is increased to 128 MB. So, try natin i-upload yung file kanina. Let's select files. Okay, this one yung 4 megabytes. Okay. So, nag-upload na siya. Alright. So, yun na siya. Pero lang yung pag-modify ng ating upload limit inside your WordPress website. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.